Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and today I'm going to share you one of my afternoon trade which I traded ticker CAN. And CAN, what I was looking at it on the 1 minute and 5 minute, I saw that it came down, it was gapping up almost 2%. It gapped down, it consolidated on the closing line, and then I saw that it was making a bull flag and trying to reach back to this level, which is on 29. So I added my position, first initial position I added into the 2850 after the closing line comes in. Then I added further when this consolidation level down. I want to showcase you how I've managed my trade, and maybe you can learn something. And what I would do as we move along, I'm going to speed up the tape as well. So you see I'm looking at the tape here is 29.08, and my entry was very fantastic, 28.18.3. So I'm already 40 cents in. Now I'm just wanted to increase a little bit of tape speed, and if you wanted to see, you can watch again in the lower speed, so you would able to see that how the tape is moving forward. So now if you see what I'm looking at it, I'm looking at it to see whether this resistance, what is it on the level of 2950, which you see here below the VWAP, does it go there? Does it bounce back or what it does? That I wanted to see here now. Um, I'm still pretty happy with the way it is moving. If you see here, this has increased volume after it went back up and the previous day close. Now, for me, I'm looking at this 4 minutes is a bull flag, and this red is the consolidation level. And I added a limit orders to buy above these consolidations. So I'm expecting now, and I'm increasing my position to add, and I'm building a position. So my first position I started at 2850 after the closing line, then I added further, and now as further now I've seen, so I've canceled the one because now at the 3 minute down I was expecting a bit quick in it. So therefore now I see if it's going up, I'm looking at the tape, it's holding 29 levels, so I added into one position now instead of increasing the time. And I'm now also have the stop, also the buy order there, and let's see what it does now. So this minute is very crucial. I do not want this to break 29. I want this minute to quickly run up and quickly break this. So very nice. So I'm in now. I'm in the full position, almost 28.90. Now I want this really to break, and I will take the partial because I do not want to wait anymore. So let's see what it does. Let's wait a couple of more minutes, because in the morning it was very choppy. It was quickly losing the gains, but now it seems to me more reliable, a better way. And I'm really, if you look at the overall pattern, it is consolidating at this level. But also, I'm very objective that if it's break level 29, then I can easily close out my position, because then this setup is gonna fail. And even if you look at the 5 minutes, is making a really nice bull flag. So I'm really counting on it. And see, if you look at the 2 minutes time period, see how beautifully it is making a formation. So I'm really liking it what I see right now. I'm really happy the way I'm looking at it. I at least need a 50-60 cents. My risk was less than 10 cents. Whatever I will get it, I will take it. Now this time, see, is trying to push up. Very nice. This is a move it was making. I was waiting for it. Very nice. Now I'm gonna take my first partial on 29.40. Anything over 29.40, I'm gonna take the partial. So it's broke. I took my first partial. Now I'm waiting. I want this to break the VWAP, and if it couldn't break the VWAP, I will take one more partial here. So that's good. It's broke 50. I'm now putting my trailing order. I want this to continually go up, but I think it didn't go up. It's closed me at the same level. That's fine. I'm happy what I see here. I'm gonna take one more partial at 70 or 80. Okay, very nice. I got one more partial on 80, one more partial on 90. Very nice. So I don't know because I see the resistance on the top of 30 and I do not know that whether it's going to pull back now or it's going to come back, but it's making a very good volume if you see the increased volume. So it's really a nice pattern, but I'm impatient. Maybe I need to become more patient, even though I only expecting up to the VWAP, but it's giving me a really nice move. I mean, there is no reason for me to get out, but I think I might be a bit impatient at this point. And if you will see, let me just quickly forward that. Uh, what I will do, I will, I will, I will close it. I think very soon. And yeah, this is the way I have closed everything on 2980. And after his stop, I put my stop order after it pulled back down, and now it's moving back up. But I guess what I didn't like it that this red bar, that was the 1 minute negative red bar, which made me nervous. But then it pulled back up. I added, but this time when I added, I wanted them to run. But it's chopping around, so I don't want this next bar to be like this. Therefore, I stopped out. So I think this was the trade I had. I thought I'm going to share with you how you can take afternoon bull flag formations close to the previous day close. This was a very strong stock, uh, but it gapped down, went all the way to cover all the gap, went down from the previous day close, and then pulled back from up. So I think that was the reason I traded. If you see here, it has a $28 support twice. There are so many bottoming tail layers. So one time went back up to the previous day, rejected, again tried, came back here, and this time it couldn't go down. It's just basically pulled back on the level 28. That's why I was thinking that this could be a nice place to do a trade. So hope you enjoyed it. Please give me your feedback and uh, that how do you like the trade? Do you think that I have managed well, or I need some improvement? So feel free to give me some feedback. Bye. Thank you.